Okay, so before starting this hairstyle, I'm just going to spray my hair with a little water just to get it so it can be movable. And then I'm adding a little Eco Styler gel just to lay the hair down. Okay, after you have slicked your hair down, you're just going to use some hair ties and put it into a ponytail. I just sprayed the ends of my hair with a little water just so it don't be so dry. Okay, so after putting your hair into a ponytail, you're going to begin just laying your edges however you like them. If you like them extra wild or just basic or whatever your preference is, just lay your edges, honey. Okay, so after you do the front part of your edges, please do the back. Don't have the front nice and the back nappy, y'all. Come on now, lay the back too. Okay, so after laying all your edges, I'm just going to leave my hair scarf on for about 10 minutes so I don't have any flyaways and so that everything can be nice and laid down. Okay, y'all, so this is the easy part. I am using the drawstring ponytail to do my bun. So basically, you just put the 2 clips on there, and then you're going to see me playing around with it and just wrapping the hair around till you get the bun how you like it. And again, I had to put on my glasses because your girl is blind and I got to see what I'm doing. Okay, so with the drawstring ponytail, you just basically putting the front clip on there, then put the back clip on there, and then it's a string on there. You're going to pull it tight. Don't pull it too tight where it hurts your head. And then you're just going to wrap the hair around and just play with it until it gets the form or the shape that you like it. And then I secured it down with bobby pins. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick and easy bun. And again, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, turn the notification bell on, and give this video a thumbs up.